In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to give remote control to another participant during a Zoom meeting. It only takes 5 simple steps, so let's get started. First, go ahead and start a new meeting by clicking the New Meeting button on your Zoom dashboard. Once you're in the meeting, you'll need to share your screen. Look for the Share button in the menu bar at the bottom and click it. A window will pop up showing all your available screens and applications. Choose the one you want to share, then confirm by clicking the Share button. Now that your screen is being shared, locate Remote Control in the menu bar at the top and click on it to open the control options. Here you'll see a list of all participants in your meeting. Simply choose the person you'd like to give mouse and keyboard control to, and they'll be able to interact with your shared screen. That's all there is to it. You now know how to share remote control in Zoom, making collaboration even easier during your meetings.